All right, guys, today we're up here. Hey, guys, I'm Devin Hunter. You know the drill. Like, comment, share, and you find all my contact information down below. But today we're at the Norway up here at Arbor Homes, Monon Center. And we're getting ready to tour this Norway property. It is a 2961 square feet, 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, starting at $375,995. Guys, why don't we just make it $376 instead of the $995? Just a pet peeve of mine, right? Okay. Let's go on inside and show you what is going on this property. And I believe Blake is in here as well, so we'll ask some questions there. But we'll go on in here and do a real quick tour of this property here. Okay, let me pull up my floor plan again. There we go. All right, when you come right in the front door, you're going to have what is considered the dining room area. I'm liking this with a lot of, but as you can see, there's people sitting here eating. Right now, we're currently having an open house on this property. So that's why you're seeing a lot of food, a lot of people checking out this Arbor Homes product. All right, let me give you a real quick tour and I'll go over here and ask Blake some questions. So back here is the den area. That is 13 by 13, actually 14 by 13. Dual walk-in closets. Let me see. Nope, that has access to the bathroom there. So this bathroom right here, you have access right there. So this could be an in-law suite or a guest suite. I can see that if you didn't want to do a study. All right, so we have a linen closet here, coat closet. Let's go around here, fly through. This setup here has a gourmet kitchen. Here is a pantry. Now here's my kind of pantry where, you know me, you can actually step inside. Plenty of room for your small appliances. You don't want to put them on your counters, and plenty of room for food storage as well. Open concept.
That's a higher price point for our. It is.
And you've got your countertop, your island there. It shows 3. I bet if you had smaller seats, you could pony up 4. We're coming through here. Granite countertops. Here is your drop zone area. Hello. This would access out to your 3-car garage, which is currently being used as a Arbor Homes office. So this would be your drop zone area directly off of, and that is where you would put your water softener at. Let me pan around here. All right, let's go upstairs real quick. And then I'll take you down to the basement. I would have liked to say, instead of a pony wall, do the railing like they did over at one of their other models. This is a nice size loft up here. This loft is 13 by 11. It would look larger if there was, instead of the pony wall, you would have some iron railing there. My personal opinion. Okay, we're going into the laundry area upstairs on the 2nd floor. Let's go ahead and jump over to the other bedrooms. Trying to figure, I'm looking at the floor plan here, guys. All right, this is bedroom number 2, which is 12 by 11 with a walk-in closet. For this price point of $375, starting at $375, $378, you're getting quite a bit of home. If you want to live up here in the Westfield area, Westfield schools, walk-in closet. That is bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4, we got full bath here, dual sinks, and we have a door that would go right there, closing off the water closet and the bathroom. So that way, if you have kids, they can be in there taking a shower, using the bathroom, or brushing their teeth. We have a linen closet right here. And this is bedroom number 4. It is 12 by 11. Nice size walk-in closet. Guys, if you like a personal VIP tour and get introduced to one of the sales associates up here at Arbor Homes up at the Monon corner, then feel free to give me a call. All my contact information is down below in the description. Feel free to reach out to me. Be glad to make that personal introduction. And we're walking into it says master, but we're calling it a primary suite. This primary is 14 by 19. Guys, it is huge. A lot of room up here. Tray ceiling, large windows, a large closet which connects to the laundry room. I like that. So that way, if you had your clothes right here, you just walk right in there, so you don't have to go outside. You walk right in there, do the laundry. Now let's go into the primary bathroom. Dual sinks with a featured tub, water closet, and this is still considered a party shower, 2 people. Fiberglass insert. I would like to see some kind of tile in this one. But that's something that you could do as far as an upgrade. All right, let's go downstairs. There is a basement on this one, so we're going to go downstairs and we'll talk to Blake as far as what it costs to get a basement and also to have a basement finished. Looks like he's still busy. All right. Let's go ahead and go downstairs and tour that, and then we'll come back up here and ask those questions. So here is an unfinished basement. This is huge, guys. I could see doing a workout room down here if you like. You could also do a TV room, surround system, nice and huge. You got your mechanicals down here in their own separate closet. You have there's your gas manifold. This is gas, electric. Your sump pump. I'm not seeing a battery backup. I would like to see a battery backup and possibly even 2 sumps, just to make sure. All right, this area over here, you could do another bedroom over here because you have an egress. So this could be another bedroom, or it could be an office, or whatever you want it to be. There is no rules to what these rooms can be. You got your heat right there. All right, let's go back upstairs and let's see if Blake is able to answer our questions. See, here's the railing I would like to see upstairs instead of the pony wall. See how it makes it look more open instead of a pony wall? All more open. So I would like to see that up there. It just would have just gave it an extra. Okay. Also have an option if you would put one of the full glass doors there, let more light in. Come over here and I'll do a pan. Are you a sales consultant as well? No. Okay, you're a lender. With who?
Silverton Mortgage. So we're the preferred lender for Arbor.
Okay.
And I work with Blake, so just incentives, I guess, for, using us compared to an outside lender.
Send me your information,
Awesome, yeah, for sure.
if you would.
Devin?
Tell me, yeah. Logan, nice to meet you. Tell me about your services, what you got going on. Do you do anything outside of Arbor?
We do, yeah, so we
Okay.
do existing homes as well.
Mind if I put you on camera? No, I don't care. Okay, because I hate they'll be like, who's this talking? So, okay, go ahead. Tell me about your services. What makes you guys different from any other lending?
Yeah, so specifically with our, relationship with Arbor here, as far as earnest money goes, so $2,500 down compared to $7,500 if you're using an outside lender for Arbor. You do receive a $2,500 seller credit as well that can go towards helping lower your cash to close. I work very closely with Blake and other sales managers throughout Arbor, so having that close connection and good relationship just between the selling agent and ourselves is nice to keep communication flowing, between client, realtor, and the sales manager, so we know what's going on at all times, especially on the loan side, making sure everyone's in the loop as far as where it is in the process, what Arbor needs from us, we're getting everything quickly, and just keeping everyone in the loop. So definitely a good relationship.
Now, do you guys have 3-2-1 buy downs, 2-1 buy downs, any ARMs, anything like that people are looking for that makes it easy to get into a new home? What kind of programs do you have that buyers can actually buy down and get into?
Yeah, well, you do, you can look at points as well, with the seller credit, you're able to kind of put that towards the rate if they wanted to. 2-1 buy downs are seller credit driven, so the buyer can't really contribute towards that. We do offer ARMs. I would say most of the time, you're conventional. We do have down payment assistance as well that we can look at, Indiana housing. So there's definitely plenty of options there, and really the biggest thing I would say is just making sure the client is fully aware of all their options and working on what's best for them and their situation.
There you go, guys. You heard it. Arbor Homes has their own financing available, so if you don't have financing, when we come out here, we talk to Blake. We can, what was your name again? Logan. You will be talking with Logan to be able to get your financing set up so that way you can build a new property or buy one of their quick move-ins. So let's continue. Hopefully we can get Blake over here. It looks like a 10 by 12 patio. So that has that option. I'm digging it because it has a fan up there with a light, because there's going to be some days out here when it's kind of humid. Turn that fan on, get a good breeze going there.
Yeah. It's hard to predict right now.
Perfect. All right, thanks, Logan.
Yeah, looking forward to helping out.
Appreciate that. I'm not going to make you sign off on any kind of video disclosure or anything like that, release, so.
Sounds good. Yeah, exactly.
You already said it's okay, right?
Yeah, nope, should be fine.
All right, here is Blake. Blake, we got a couple questions for you. I'm going to come over here. I'm not all over you. I'm going to put this real close to you.
Okay.
All right. Got a full basement in
Yes,
here.
yes.
The option for a full basement is how much?
On this particular floor plan, we're right about $70,000 on the full basement with the 9-foot walls.
Okay, full basement. Is that finished or unfinished?
Unfinished. We're going to add about another 20 to that to do a finish and a full bath.
Okay.
Okay, so you can
12,
do.
12 for the
Yeah.
finish,
Okay.
8 for the full
It's
bath.
coming.
One of the things I seen down there was only one sump. Can you do dual sumps with the battery backup?
Every house in here will have the dual sump pump in that price. We just didn't do it on the model.
Okay.
But every basement in here will have the double sump pump, the battery backups as well.
With the sunroom.
Okay, perfect. That answers my questions. Yes. All right. And there's Blake right there. There he is. All right. So, hey, I appreciate you. I'm going to go across the street here
Okay.
and see what's going on
Yeah,
over
check those out.
there.
Those are gorgeous models.
It is good.
Appreciate you.
It is a decent location.
Nice to meet you. Did you get my card?
It's
No, but you're going to give me one.
it's still a very good area. Sorry.
All right. Cool. Sweet. All right. Where's the food from?
What's that?
All right, guys, like I said, we're up here at the Monon corner. This property is the Norway. Good looking property, 3-car garage. Let's go over that real quick. 2961 square feet, 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a full unfinished basement on there. You heard from Blake on what it would take as far as finishing a basement. and or building a basement and then finishing it with dual sumps, battery backup, and a bathroom and a bedroom set up. So this is the Norway. Good looking property in there. Both these properties, I'm really impressed. I have not toured Arbor Homes before, but I'm really impressed. They have over 300 different lots up here in combination with Beazer. So Arbor Homes has about 100, Beazer have 100, and then the destination that we're getting ready to tour, they will have 100 as well. So if you're looking up to move up into Westfield at the price point of the upper 300s, this be a builder to come check out. Like I said before, if you'd like any personal introduction, VIP tour, and set you up with an appointment to be able to get in and talk to one of their sales consultants, please let me know and I'll get you all set up. All right, have a good day.